Welcome to Mobimind. Today we are diving deep into the Nokia King 5G, a smartphone that's generating huge excitement in 2026. Nokia has always been known for sturdy devices and excellent build quality, and the King 5G is no exception. This phone combines cutting-edge technology with classic Nokia reliability, making it a strong contender in the 5G market. Let's start with design and display. The Nokia King 5G features a 6.8-inch AMOLED screen, offering vivid colors, deep blacks, and smooth refresh rates. Whether you are gaming, streaming videos, or just browsing social media, the display gives an immersive experience. The phone is lightweight but durable, with a premium glass back that reflects a modern and elegant design. Its slim bezels and curved edges make it comfortable to hold, while the punch-hole front camera is discreetly integrated for a seamless look. Moving to performance, the Nokia King 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and high-end gaming performance without lag. Coupled with the Adreno GPU, it delivers excellent graphics for games and media consumption. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, this phone handles everything effortlessly. Next is the camera system, which is one of the main highlights. The phone sports a triple rear camera setup, led by a 108 megapixels primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a macro lens. This setup captures high-resolution photos, rich colors, and detailed shots even in low-light conditions. AI-powered photography features automatically optimized shots, detect scenes, and enhance selfies. On the front, a 32 megapixels punch-hole camera ensures sharp, clear selfies and high-quality video calls. If you're a content creator, this phone is ready for vlogging, live streaming, or photography. When it comes to battery life, the Nokia King 5G excels. It comes with a 6000 mAh battery, capable of lasting more than a day even under heavy usage. The 100W fast charging support lets you recharge from 0 to 100% in just under an hour. You no longer need to worry about running out of power while on the go, making it perfect for travel, work, or gaming marathons. Software-wise, the phone runs Android 16 with Nokia's clean UI, offering a smooth and intuitive interface. 5G connectivity ensures lightning-fast internet speeds, smooth streaming, and low-latency gaming. Features like split-screen multitasking, AI optimizations, and privacy controls make it a modern and user-friendly device. For those who care about storage, the Nokia King 5G offers up to 1 TB internal storage, expandable via microSD. This gives you ample space for apps, photos, videos, and games, ensuring you never run out of storage. Finally, let's talk about pricing and availability. The Nokia King 5G is competitively priced considering its high-end specifications, making it a value-for-money flagship device. It will be available globally in 2026, with multiple color options to suit different tastes. In conclusion, the Nokia King 5G is a well-rounded smartphone, combining powerful performance, exceptional camera quality, a long-lasting battery, and elegant design. Whether you are a gamer, photographer, or a professional, this phone caters to every need. So if you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and future-proof 5G device, the Nokia King 5G should definitely be on your radar. Make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Mobimind for more detailed reviews of the latest smartphones in 2026.